Hello all. Today we are going to discuss about Flander's interaction analysis. This question takes place in semester 2 in the pedagogy, comes under the unit of 1. According to Ned A. Flanders, he defines teaching is an interactive analysis. Interaction means participation of both teachers and students in the process of teaching. In this process, he said, teachers influences the students. Students also interacts with teachers. Interaction takes place among the students themselves also, which means you should look at the diagram, you can easily understand, which means teacher and the arrow mark between the teachers and students and teachers, it represents the interaction among the students, teacher and student and student and student. Okay, teachers influences students through lecture, ask question, criticizing, giving directions. Students reacted to the teacher's lecture and questions, they give response. It is an interaction between teachers and students. What is interaction analysis? Interaction analysis is the process of encoding and decoding. Encoding means recording the event, which means lecture, and decoding is arranging the data in correct proper way. There are four important techniques to observe the interaction systematically. These are Flanders interaction analysis category system, reciprocal category system, equivalent talk categories, verbal interaction category system. Among the four, Flanders interactive analysis is more suitable for nowadays because it is used in field of research all over the world. There are few characteristics of interaction analysis. They are verbal interaction make the class more effective. Then it increases the participation of student and teachers in the process of teaching. In this process, teachers' behavior is become direct to indirect behavior, which means the teacher led the students to participate in the process. In this process, tape recorder and videotape are used to encode and decode the behavior of the teacher. This technique will help the teachers who are getting training. Flanders interaction analysis category system, which means FIACS. Native Flander developed a system of interaction analysis to study what is happening in a classroom when a teacher teaches. It is also known as Flanders interaction analysis category system, which means FIACS. It was developed by Flander and others in the University of Manchester, USA at the year of 1955 and 1960. Flander classified this into 10 categories, which is verbal categories comprises teacher talk, student talk and silence or confusions. 10 categories are mentioned. Those are teacher's talk, it consists of 7 categories. Then pupil talk, it consists of 2 categories. Final, silence or confusion, it takes place 1 category. Here the FIACS flowchart. Teacher talks is divided into 2 types, indirect talk and direct talk. Direct talk has 4 categories, which is accept feeling, praise or encourage, accepts or use ideas of pupils, asking question. Accept feelings means accepting the feelings of the pupil. Praise or encourage, which means praising or encouraging the students while lecturing. Accepts or use ideas of people, which is while teaching we have to hear students ideas or accepts their ideas. Asking questions in direct talk there are 3 categories, which are lecture, giving direction, criticizing or justifying authority, which means lecturing is as usual giving an explanation about the content. Giving direction means directing the students for their class. Criticizing or justifying authority. Next one, pupil talk. There are 2 categories in it, pupil talk response, pupil talk initiation, which is pupil talk response means response to teachers talk, then teachers ask questions, then students gives an answer for the questions. And pupil talk initiation means students take initiation to talk for the teachers questions.